Oatzempic and Chia. Are these foods mimicking Ozempic for fat loss? Your breakfast is secretly storing fat, not burning it. And almost nobody sees it coming. You've heard about Ozempic and how it melts stubborn fat. But what if your everyday foods were secretly sending the same signals? You wake up, pour your usual bowl of oats, sprinkle some chia seeds, maybe add a splash of milk. You feel like you're being healthy. But by mid-morning, hunger hits, energy dips, and that belly fat still won't budge. You've followed every tip: low sugar, high fiber, consistent portions, yet fat loss feels stuck. If this sounds familiar, stick around. The last mistake is the one no one talks about. Here's the truth. There are 3 surprising ways Oatzempic and Chia mimic Ozempic, and one of them actually backfires if done wrong. Mistake number 1 can quietly slow your fat burning without you realizing it. Mistake number 3 is subtle. It's the reason many people plateau even on perfect diets. Mistake number 1: why oats might not be working for you. Oats are full of fiber, which helps control appetite. Sounds perfect, right? But here's the catch. Most people cook oats until they're mushy. When fiber is overcooked, it loses its ability to slow sugar absorption. Your blood sugar spikes, insulin rises, and your body stores fat instead of burning it. Mini example. Think about the instant oatmeal packets versus steel-cut oats. One spikes fat storage, the other slows it down. And this is why the next mistake is even worse. The way you soak chia can undo even perfect oats. Mistake number 2. The chia trap. Chia seeds can swell to 10 times their size. That's a natural appetite suppressant. But here's the twist. If you eat dry chia or soak them incorrectly, they pass through your gut too fast, barely releasing nutrients. Your hunger comes back stronger. Mini example. A spoonful of dry chia on yogurt versus properly soaked chia for 30 minutes. Only the soaked version slows hunger. The last one is invisible, but it's why your belly fat never budges. Mistake number 3. Timing the fat loss signal. This one's subtle. Even with perfect oats and soaked chia, eating them at the wrong time can confuse your body. Your gut sends hormone signals based on what you eat. Eat too late and your body stores fat. Too early and it triggers cravings. Mini example. Morning oats with chia can signal fat burning if eaten within an hour of waking. But after 10 a.m., that same meal may stall progress. And here's the kicker. This is exactly what Ozempic does. But your food can mimic or sabotage it depending on timing. Here's the big insight. It's not just the food, it's the signal your body receives. Step 1. Fiber hits your gut slowly. Step 2. Appetite hormones drop. Step 3. Fat-burning signals activate in your liver and fat cells. Skip a step and your healthy breakfast stores fat instead of burning it. Your body doesn't argue with what you eat, it responds to the signals you send. So yes, oats and chia can mimic Ozempic, but only if you respect fiber, hydration, and timing. Recap. 1. Cook oats lightly to preserve fiber. 2. Soak chia seeds to release nutrients. 3. Eat at the right time to trigger fat-burning signals. Your body isn't broken. It's responding exactly as it should. And if you want to make sure your chia seeds actually work for fat loss, don't miss our video on 5 critical mistakes you're making when soaking chia seeds. It's the step most people overlook that makes all the difference.